Hey guys, this is going to be a cleaning video. I like to watch them myself personally to get inspired to clean, and since it's December I want to clean and clean good to well, refresh myself for the year, and then probably re-clean really good in spring, because you know spring is like the cleaning season for some reason. Spring cleaning, you know. So I will look differently throughout this video. My camera might look different throughout this video because I'm using my vlogging camera right now, but I might use my bigger camera on the next day. When I say next day, today is Thursday and I'm going to be filming on Saturday also. I'll be looking different because Saturday is my normal filming days. And I'm going to be filming 4 videos for you guys on Saturday. So, expect this video to be cut a little bit because of noises or movement or the different day. So sorry I look like a hot mess right now. You're gonna be watching me as I clean my office space, just the office space for the vlog camera, and I might move on to everything else on Saturday. Now I don't know if I'm gonna be cutting these or putting music in these videos or not, so I'm not gonna talk, but I will be trying to decide if I'm going to put music in these videos, so we'll see. Hey guys, I just wanted to chime in during this video just to tell you and let you know that if this video is short or cut or something along those lines or elongated because the speed is different, it's because my editing program shut off on me yesterday when I was working on part of the video, and I think it was due to how fast I was making the speed go through the video and my computer was overrunning it. My apologies if this video is a little bit different than normal or what I would intend to. So let's go on. Hey guys, today is Saturday, that's why I look like this. We're gonna be getting into my bedroom soon, which is a mess. We just gotta clean up the table that's behind me real quick, and then we're going into the bedroom. And my apologies if you don't have great lighting in there, because there isn't great lighting in there. And I'm really close to the camera, sorry about that. So it's a bit of a mess in there, so it might be a little bit longer than a normal video. And then it's vacuuming. I don't know if I'll film that. I don't know if I'll film the vacuuming or not.